What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a pair of Nike Air Jordan 11 Lows. Great sneaker if you ask me. All the 11 Lows historically have gone over retail. This is one of the first, or one of the only ones on the market that you can get under retail right now, which I think makes them very special because they're a pretty good colorway. I think they're extremely underrated. Maybe they're overproduced, or maybe just the demand is a little bit low for them. But this is the 7210 low, and if you're looking for a pair, there is a StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. Also, like, it's a Jordan 11 low. Everyone loves Jordan 11s. Jordan 11 lows are even better because apparently lows are better than highs nowadays. There's patent leather, carbon fiber weave. I mean, I made that up, but it's some sort of weave. Translucent bottoms. I think they might turn yellow one day, I don't know. It's a 7210 low. The women's Jordan 11 lows also kind of depreciate a little bit, but they're great shoes, if you ask me. I'm gonna throw them on foot here in just a second. Like always. This time I'm gonna throw them on with some black joggers, some Nike Tech fleece, some jeans maybe, just to show you how versatile they are. We'll lace them up properly too, because I really don't understand why people aren't buying these shoes like crazy right now, especially at this pricing. Like, it's a 7210 low. What more could you possibly want from your sneakers? And as you can see with these black joggers, they look amazing. Imagine how good they look with some Tech fleece or some jeans. Just gonna tuck those in right there. Stand up. It's a great gym shoe. Great shoe to play a little bit of basketball in. Pretty light. All in all, it's a really good shoe. Let's see how they look with some Tech fleece, some jeans. And you can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. We're back now to put them on with some Tech fleece. It's a great silhouette in a reasonable color, so I feel like it's gonna be a pretty good shoe in the long run. It's a great way to wear a Jordan without really advertising, hey, I'm wearing ridiculous Jordans. Let's just see how they look with a pair of nice jeans. Alright, back at it again with a nice pair of light blue denim. And even with these, they look pretty solid. All right, we're gonna switch it up. Maybe throw in a pair of darker denim. All right, here's a pair of dark blue denim. And last but not least, I'm going to throw in a pair of Lululemon pants that I'm starting to like these days. Alright, quick last clip here. This is a pair of Lululemon pants that I'm wearing these days. Might cuff them a little bit sometimes. They're pretty slim around the ankle. Honestly, they look better in person than they do on camera. They actually stack quite well most of the time. Yeah, let me know what you think of the sneakers below, in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the affiliate marketing links in the description. You've seen them with a variety of different pants on. I really want to know if you think that these are going to go up in value or not. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.